face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hey y'all, this is Burn Beauty 2018. I hope you're doing well. How many of you are intimidated by false eyelashes and liquid blush? Me? I've only worn false lashes a couple of times in my life, or I had only worn them a couple of times in my life before I was burned. And both of those times they had been applied by a makeup artist. And I've done a video on this before for someone, but I just wanted to do like the short form. The most important thing, I'm almost out of lash glue, and that is like a nightmare. I feel very anxious about that. I have others, but I only like to use Cardani lash glue, Cardani. It really keeps my lashes on, being that I have no natural lash at all for these lashes to rest on. I feel like that glue is, I don't know, I started out, it's what I bought when I first got started wearing them. It was a little bit pricier than the others, but my lashes have never come off when I've given them proper application. So I've got the lash glue on barely. I need more, I feel like. But sometimes less is more. You don't want to put too much, or it's going to take too long to dry. And you really want this to sit up and get tacky. That's how you put on lashes. If you try to put the glue on and then stick it right on your face, it's not going to stay at all. Impossible. I'm putting on my liquid blush while I'm holding my lash in my tweezers with the glue on it, my right eye. So I'm going to do my blush just to demonstrate how long you need to give it to set. So this is this liquid blush, by the way, is Tarte, Maneater, and Berry, and I'm obsessed with it. It was until very, very recently, like this weekend, I was terrified of liquid blush because everything I had purchased came out looking like overdone, over made up, too dark. And that would be using only like dabs, dots of blush, you know, like 3 dots, ding, 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 thinking, okay, well, that's going to do it. And I've got it up a little too high. Sometimes you have to bob and weave a little. I want to get that away from my eye. You know, I just thought, you know, put a few dots on. I've watched all the videos, and why isn't it working? Why does it look so overdone? I don't know the answer to that, but I think it has to do with just the products themselves. And this Maneater by Tarte is the best I have found. It makes me happy. I am now a believer. I am now a liquid blush girl. And it is a buildable color, so I don't want a lot of blush on today, but I've still got, I mean, it's still really there. You can see it. And if I want to put another layer, I can, you know. So this lash has been sitting how long? I don't know. A minute at least. And I'm applying it with my tweezers, and I'm holding it up as I apply it. Up. I'm holding the lashes up. And by up, I mean That's the worst thing, when the lashes stick to the tweezers. By up, I mean not pointing straight out. Your lashes are not on properly. If they're pointing straight out, they're not on right. Okay, so get them up. Then take your tweezers. It's great to use tweezers because you can then go on the band of the lash and press it down into place. Move it around if you need to. If you've not placed it properly, you can grab it and pull it. I used my fingers when I first started putting on lashes. It was just easier for me. It felt more natural. The tweezer thing was too much. So if you need to use your fingers, use your fingers. Now that I wear my nails super long, using my fingers is too much for me. So, you see the way the lash is on? It's up. The lashes are up. They're not in my eye. I cannot see them. That's correct. So, we have just done a lash. Remember how long we let it set. Just let the glue set. And as soon as I put it on my face, it was stuck. That's all you have to do. That's the secret to applying false lashes. Let your glue set up properly. You should not be able to see your lash with your eye. Alright? So if you need to push it up a little, push it up. I mean, maybe you'll see a little bit of lash, but it shouldn't be just sticking straight out, blocking the sun out of your life. That's not right. So I'll finish my face. Let me do the other one, and I'll be right back. So there we have it. We did it. 2 of the most frightening things out in the wild. False lashes and liquid blush. I feel like the blush looks great. Of course, I added my Fenty highlighter on top of it. I really love the blush. So this is basically my whole look for the day. Other than some lipstick, I'm trying to pick my color. Hope that if you guys have anything that you're struggling with, just let me know. It was hard to learn how to do all the things I needed to do for my skincare and things, and my makeup post burns. So if you have questions, message them to me, and I'll answer them for you with a video. Or if it's not necessary of a video, I'll just answer you directly. But get in touch with me if you need help with anything, any other skincare, makeup, or confidence. Whatever you're going through, remember, this too shall pass. I love you. Bye.